We're at Hot Rods for Robin. Come check out B&B Speed on YouTube.
All right, this is a 1934 Buick. It's been done from the ground up, built by Robbie Fagundes, painted it. It's got a Mustang 2 front end, a 454, all chromed out, Camaro rear end, picket visor, all leather interior, AC. You know, it looks like a sleeper, but it comes down the road, man. I drive this thing everywhere. So this thing was originally at a museum as an original car. I bought it out of Chicago, Illinois. And the whole thing was taken apart, as you can see.
Man,
all the chrome, everything was redone, man. It is what it is. It's like an old lady, you gotta put lipstick on and make it look good.
This is beautiful, man.
You can take a look at the engine on the other. All the horns, all the extra lights. I still want to get the passing light. They have what is called a passing light that goes on it. I like to get that for it.
Thank you for the interview. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, also, it's all original. It's almost done with. Yeah. There is some Peterbilt trucks. Strike by
You see this one's still in the process. Or maybe they probably lost the hood during a speed test, maybe.
That's what track steering should look like.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be that. Look at that beauty.
I'm surrounded. You got a handle on that and everything. I'm surrounded.
And the oldie but goodie. Ooh, look at that beautiful thing. Ooh, take that to the beach any day, huh? And next to the Mustang. Look at that Mustang.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Your Mustang, people. Here we go.
So it's 68 SS Camaro. It's got a 454 motor in it. It's not original, but it was a transplant. 4-speed transmission. Just got through putting on fuel injection. Runs really good.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, thank you.
Get in there, get some detail. Look at the paint. One of our local guys.
She still hasn't met Sean? No.
Really?
Yes.
No way. Oh, that's what she was telling me the other day.
I know, he's like, you're gonna be my best friend. I was like, okay, thank you, because I don't have
For you now, please register your car for the car show now. The registration table is located in the front of the room. If you see the food and more cars sign on the pavilion, just in front of it is the registration table.
Hey.
As you're walking in between the hallways, you'll notice sports signs here with all the fun.
Sure.
Says CBS on 2022 Hot RodderS for Robin Annual Car Show. Third annual car show. It's a great day. We hope you enjoy it.
Are you?
If you like that logo so much, there are t-shirts and sweatshirts.
Yeah, I see it.
On the parking lot. Visit the sales today. There's t-shirts and sweatshirts. Hooded sweatshirts being sold.
Well, the flames are showing up or not.
Logo on it. They're wonderful. Also, in front of the home, there's a silent auction going on. Beautiful handcrafted wood items and more. Also, we'll see Robbie Phillips Memorial Scholarship. Once again, there is a Jim Phillipson, Cycle and Asphalt Design. Rudy and Son Transportation. Dave Trust. Tamara and Son, A. Holland. A1 Locking. Super great. Thank you so much. Thank you for your sponsorship. We would not be able to do this without you.
Is your car?
Just go straight down, right there.
Man, old school was a New York twist, huh?
May I have your attention, please? We would like to give another thank you to our sponsors. Thank you very much. Please bring $20 in exact change. Thank you for your cooperation. After you register, please be sure to take your card directly to your vehicle and post it to the windshield. This way your car can be judged and you have your chance to win.
Got rods for you. So you want to do some RC builds off it, or maybe a real rod? There's some ideas.
There's no, that's only a week away.
Yeah, next Sunday. You'll like it's a nice place.
Cadillac.
Some of them things I hear can go like 75 miles an hour. Pretty cool to watch. Take a visit inside the home.